Welcome back. If garbage along the roadside is tackled, there will be reduction in street dogs population. Mission Rabies has treated almost 20,000 street dogs for rabies. The statewide mass vaccination drive aims to spread across the state. They have now demanded assistance from the government. Their drive will start at Bicholi from Monday.
So if the garbage disposal is done properly, if the food waste is done properly, the number of dogs on the road will come down. Worked for about 7-8 months already, doing a fantastic job, doing 20,000 plus vaccinations to the dogs and 20,000 surgeries to the dogs and educating 90,000 children in this state.
We hope over the next year to have covered the entire of Goa by vaccinating all of the dogs through all the taluks during this time. Because Morgan has said, in order to do this, we really do need help from Goa state government. Our funds are very limited and it is all coming from overseas. From Monday, we are moving over to Bicholi in response to the rabies death that had occurred in January. We are also now starting work in Bardas. So we'll be having 2 teams on the ground in Goa doing the vaccinations.
Caculo Goans beat Sarvodaya Royals by 40 runs. This win kept chances of Caculos alive, making it to the final. Caculo Goans scored 151 runs. Sarvodaya, while chasing the target, were limited up to 111 runs. Sunny Patel was man of the match. Patel smashed highest number of sixes. Aditya Angle was the best fielder.
He's in his first over. The batsman stepping down the track and he offers a simple catch. He's bowled him. Straight down the ground. He'll get a boundary for that. Lovely shot from Sunny Patel. The ball is up in the air. Third man is inside the circle. Lovely hit there. Nice and clean. He'll get a boundary. The ball up in the air. There's a fielder coming underneath it. Easy catch. Stepping down the track, and this ball has just landed below the commentator's box here. Big shot there, there's a fielder, but he won't be able to cut it off. Srinivas Patel to continue, that ball is in the air, Sunny Patel takes that catch. He'll get a boundary. Bowling to Ganesh Raj Narvikar, they finish with a dot ball and a victory for Caculo Goans here.
The best fielder prize goes to Aditya Angle of Caculo Goans. The most sixes in the match, Sunny Patel, who else? He's also the man of the match.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.